Good morning, you two. How are you today? Today is another day to learn something, and today is Wednesday, 16 of December 2020. And I am Miss Jasmine, and our lesson for this time is writing. And our topic will be character description for animals. Why animals? Because we talk about fable. Remember fable? Fable is a story that has animal characters. Do you remember week? Last week, we described the characters from our drawing pleading, right? And our characters were dad or mom and yourself. Do you remember? Yes, that was our lesson. You describe your dad or your mom from your picture of pleading from your copybook. For today, we will do the same for character description, okay, or describing the characters. But this time, we will describe the animals, okay, as our characters. Because of what? Because we talk about fable. Fable is a story that has animal characters. Okay, so for today, we will learn how to write beginning sentences for a fable story. For your activity for today, I want you to cut a picture of animals, at least two animals from old magazine or old book that you have. If you have those two pictures of animals, I want you to stick it on your copybook on different pages. Okay? Or if you can have one picture of an animal, it will do. Okay. After you have the picture of your favorite animal, I want you to give a name to your animal because your animal will be your character, and a character must have a name. Please remember that when we write names of our characters, we start writing the names with capital letter. Okay? So for example, Spotty Cat. Look at the name of Spotty. I write it with capital letter S and capital letter C. Hoppy Rabbit. Capital H and capital R. Brownie Dog. Capital B and capital letter D. This is how we write the names of our characters. I want you to give an adjective. For example, spotty is an adjective. Then the name of the animal, cat. Hoppy is an adjective. Then the name of the animal, rabbit. Brownie is an adjective and the name of the animal is dog. Okay, so remember, we write the names of our characters using capital letter. Okay, at the beginning of their names. Now, This is the next activity after you have the picture of your favorite animal and after you gave your animal a name, then these are the sentences as a beginning of a story or a fable. Look at this. This is my picture of my animal. What is the name of this animal? Character? Spotty cat. Okay, so this is how we begin our story. Long ago, there was a sweet little cat who lived in a small room. The sweet little cat is called Spotty Cat. I want you to notice the first words that I use as my beginning of my story. Long ago. We use long ago. Okay, this is the setting, the time of our story. Long ago means before. It happened before. You can use it also. Then there was a sweet little cat. I use the adjectives sweet and little, and my noun is cat, who lived in a small room. So, small is an adjective, and my name of a place is room. Small room. Okay, and then for our third sentence, the sweet little cat is called Spotty Cat. This is how we introduce our character. Another example. This is my picture. Who is this character? Yes, this is Hoppy Rabbit. Aside from long ago, you can use also once upon a time. Once upon a time. You can use this one aside from long ago. There was a brown small rabbit who lived in a tall tree. The brown small rabbit is called Hoppy Rabbit. I use my adjectives like brown and small, and my noun is rabbit. And for my place, I use adjective tall to describe a tree. And then after that, you can name your character. Hoppy Rabbit. I know you can do well also like this. So, for our writing today, we are doing a character description for animals. Why? Because we are starting to write a beginning sentences for a fable. Again, for a fable. Thank you, Year 2. I hope you understand. If you don't, please watch this video again. Okay? God bless and keep safe. Thank you.